Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Math Matters, and today I am going to do a few story sum from page 77 and 78. Okay, both of them. There are in total there are 5 story sums, and what you have to do, I am going to ask you actually. I have given this one as a homework, I remember that, and this one also, and hopefully you have to practice all of them by yourself, because already I have shown you lots of them how to do that, and you have to do it by yourself, and also this one also. Okay, don't forget that. If you have any question about this, if you have any problem, you can just reach me anywhere, WhatsApp, this this channel. You can leave comment, whatever you want. Okay, now let's do that one. 6th number. In a class of 75 students, teacher distributed 0.24 meters of tape to each student. That means each of the student, one student is getting 0.24 meters of tape. Okay, how many meters of tape are distributed in total? How many meters for 75 student? How many tapes are needed actually? Let's see. I have already done that. I'm going to show you just a little bit. One student gets 0. Can you see the point? I cannot see. Okay, now you can see. Aha, yes, you can see. One student gets 0.24 meters of tape. Therefore, there is a therefore. Okay, don't forget, whenever we are writing unitary method, please write the therefore for second and third line, and keep space between unitary method maths. Okay, whatever it is, multiplication or division or the crossing down thing, don't forget to put space between them. Now with this number, I ask you to write down the right side number on the first, so that it doesn't make you confused, okay, or doesn't make you make mistake on other maths. Okay, so this one will multiply it with 75. You can see I have already done that one, and after decimal there are only 1 to 2 digits, so I am going to put 2 digit left, 1 2, and going to put decimal over here. So it is 18. So our answer is 18 meters of tape. This is your answer. Okay, one student get that much, 75 student will get more, and more means multiplication. So 18 meter over here also. We don't have to write down 0.00. If you want to write down, it's totally fine. I will not cut your marks, on any teacher will not cut your marks, but it's totally okay if you leave that zeros after decimal. It is what should I say? It is definitely it is have to be only zeros, not any other number and mixing up with it. Don't forget it. Okay. The second one is 7 number. I hope you are taking your book with you. The 7 number, they say that one basket fruit weighs 2.565 kilogram. Find out the weight of 12 such fruit basket. Okay, so let's see. One basket fruit weighs this much, 2.565 kg. That means for 12 basket it will be more. So we are multiplying. After multiplying, you can see there are 3 digit, 1 2 3, and the second line there is no digit after decimal, only first line 3 digits. So we are going to keep 1 2 3 and putting our decimal over here. Now it is looking like 30.780, and the last 0 we can skip it. So we will write down 30.78 kg. 30.78 kg. So the weight of 12 basket is 30.78 kg. The weight, this is why I am using is. Okay, this is the main verb over here. As you know that 8 number, I was believing that you all of you can do, and I am proud to say that all of you could do that math. Thank you very much, and you have maximum student have done that way, that way. I am very happy about it. Okay, so let's read it for once. A packet contains 0.334 liter of milk, then how many liter of milk will be there if we get 50 packet? In one packet definitely we will get that much. For 50 packet we will get more than one packet, isn't it? So it's more means multiplication. As always I am saying, we have done the multiplication over here and got the answer, and after putting 1 2 3 3 digit, we need to take 1 2 3 digit over here. So our answer is 16.700, and we can skip that last two digit 0 from here. Another thing, if you want, you can pause the video. Okay, pause the video and take a look on the page, so that if you think like I'm going too fast, you can take a small break and write down the things already I am showing you. Also you can repeatedly watch the video so that you can understand. If you don't understand anything, it's the way to do work. And the page number 78, let's see. This one is actually belong to division, this math. Villagers want to equally divide 35.28 liters of oil by 9 families. That means 9 family will get this much oil. We need to divide them equally. Whenever we say that division or divide, we are going for division, right? Okay, each family will get how much or how many liters of oil. 9 family gets this much. Okay, then 1 family will get less compared to 9 families, definitely. So we need to write down that one first, right side number first, then we have to write down the left side number. You can see I have written over here, and I am going to show you. As you can see, we don't have that much space. It's what should I say, it's not good thing. Okay, 9 5s are 45, so we will go for 4 9 4s are 36. Still too much, so we will go for what? We will go for 3 9 3s are 27. After subtracting, we will get what? We will get answer. This one is 8, and this decimal we are crossing, so we need to take it up and putting down 2. Now 82 can be divided with 9 for how many times? 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81, and this one is 1 and this one is 8 will come down and goes for 2 times. Mashallah. Okay, this is the answer, 3.92. 3.92. Let me check for the answer sheet for one. Yes, the answer sheet says the answer is this. Okay, so it is 3.92 liters of oil for each family. Okay, for each family. This is your answer. Just write down the answer on the last part like this. That's it, your math is done. Now the last math we are going to do is number 16. In the 16 number, they said there are 12 cup of same kind. All of the 12 cup is same, and all of them are weights 4.14 kg. How many kilogram does each cup weight? That means we have to find out for 1 cup weighs how much. As always, you have seen that page number exercise 7a and the 16 number. 12 cup weighs 4.14 kg. Always remember, after decimal you are supposed to say that integers separately. Okay. Now let's do the division. 1 cup definitely will be less. Do the division. At first we am going to take the decimal on the top, because this one is actually we cannot divide 4, so we need to take another digit. So now you can see that after replacing the decimal on the top, 41. 41, 12 can goes for 3 times, which makes 36. Now if you subtract, then we will get 5, and this 4 will come down, and 54 can be divided by 12 for how many times? It will be 48. Yes, it should be 48. 4 12s are 48. After subtracting, then we will get answer 6. As you can see, this is the second stair, so we can take this 1 0 from this one, and oh my god, it is 5. 5 12s are 60 as far as I remember, right? So it is your answer that each of the cup will weight for this much, 0.345 kg. So the each cup weighs this much. Answer. This is done. This is all for today. If you have any more question about it, you can ask me. Don't worry, I am here for you. And after that, we will go for next week. We will go for this one, chapter 7b. Okay. There are little more ways. I will show you how to do those maths. They are pretty easy, pretty simple. Don't worry. When I am here with you, you are not supposed to be worried. Okay. Inshallah. See you on next time. Khuda Hafiz.